What if I told you that one conversation could change your entire year? This weekend, Rich Moyer got a call from Stan Big Dog Stachinski, and it was anything but ordinary. Stan had some exciting news. Rich had just made the first Alpha Dog conversion of the new year. But what does that really mean? Let's break it down. Rich sold 58 ebooks. That's impressive on its own, but it gets better. He achieved 27 alpha upgrades. That's a staggering upgrade percentage of 55%. Stan couldn't help but shout, "Outstanding job, Big Dog." Now let's put that into perspective. The average upgrade percentage in this game is only 15%. Rich's best upgrade percentage? A jaw-dropping 33%. So why does this matter? Because every new Alpha Dog that joins under Rich means residual income from the CHIP programs. This isn't just about numbers, it's about building a legacy. So, what's your game plan for the year? Are you ready to make your own alpha moves? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's inspire each other to reach new heights.